If you are a director of your own limited company or you've got your LLP, you may be overpaying tax because it's easy to concentrate on the business side and sometimes reject your personal. If it is, this video is for you. I'm Michael from MDH Accountants. If you like this video, click the bell and subscribe. That way you get notified of all of our business tips, tricks, growth strategies and tax planning advice. I'm going to give you in this video 3 tactical moves that will help you slash your tax bill if you've not already taken these opportunities already. Problem 1, you are missing out on pension top-ups. Now you are allowed to put £60,000 into a pension completely tax-free. So if you're a limited company, you would normally pay this via your company, but if you're underpaying it, are you leaving corporation tax on the table and also getting it into your own personal name, which is investing for you for retirement later on in life? In an LLP, are you missing out on an opportunity to put money from your LLP into your pension? That way you may be paying 45 or even 40% in tax, and by putting it into a pension, this could be squashed. And don't forget, if you haven't taken the most of your last 3 years contribution, you can carry back unused contributions for 3 years. Now I get that you've got to have available cash to be able to do this, but are you leaving money on the table where taxes are really high when you don't need to be? Problem 2, you are ignoring your lifetime ISA. So if you're under 40 and you haven't bought a main residence at the minute, you can put money into a lifetime ISA. Now we've got a lot of younger business owners where we're recommending these, that they do it all the time. It's basically free money. And I know there are some restrictions which can be a little bit tough if you're outside of London, but these are a massive opportunity to get free money and to make that big jump onto the property ladder. Or if you're an established business owner, are you making use of your ISA allowance, which is 20 grand a year each? And if you're in a couple, if you've got a husband, wife, civil partnership, you can put 20 grand in each. Are you missing these opportunities? Because the thing that I love about ISAs, they are completely tax-free on any income or capital gains that you earn. And what's even better about them is they're easier to pull money out of, where they're not as restricted as what you would have is if you compared these to a pension. Are you making the most out of your ISA allowances? Are you taking the opportunity of a LISA as well, so you are not missing opportunities and leaving money on the table? Problem 3, you are paying unnecessary dividend tax. Now, I would hope that you've got your tax planning absolutely nailed when it comes to taking money out of your business. And you'll know what you need to earn, what your nice to earn number and what your well to earn number is, and you are planning that so it is tight. But there is opportunities where you may have built up share portfolios, you may have built up investments, you may have inherited some, you may have had an employed job before, and those small amounts of dividends are now starting to be taxed. Well, you can easily put them into an ISA, and what other strategies can you do to make sure that you're not leaving money on the table by paying tax on something that could easily be put into an ISA too? So when you look at your personal balance sheet, which is a list of all your assets, list all your liabilities, what investments have you got that you're currently paying tax on that you just don't need to be? And what opportunities could you take where you could either squash them to zero or significantly reduce them by using all of the tax opportunities that are on the table for you today? Now, if you want some further information on tax and you want some more information, download our book today. It's 70+ ways to pay less tax. They are all good. And there's even a section in there which is specifically for investments, which is what this video has been about today. Now, if we could also help and you're looking to grow and expand your business, click another link below, which is a growth call. Get on a growth call with me today. We'll cut out any faff. We'll get down to exactly where you're looking to go to give you an idea of what your plan should be going forward in the future. I'd love to help because I love hearing about business owners that are looking to grow and hearing about you and your story.